Hi guys, welcome to Cooking Thai Food with Natchanan. Today I'm gonna take you guys to make Khao mun gai. Let's start it.
First, add a little bit oil. Smash the garlic with the knife, and I'm gonna do 3 garlic. And then slice a ginger, a few pieces. Fry until you can get aroma. Add 3 scoops of the white rice. Add a little bit garlic powder, a little bit pepper, fry everything together. Add 4 scoops of water. Mix everything together until you can get aroma, and then put it in the rice cooker. Next, I'm gonna boil the chicken. I use 2 pieces of the breast chicken. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a little bit salt, and then boil the chicken until the chicken is cooked. In the meantime, I'm gonna make a sauce with a half cup of water, 1 to 3 cups of bean paste, two tablespoons of black soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a little bit scallion, add more a little bit parsley, a little bit pepper, a little bit salt, and then mix everything together.
This is the easy recipe to make a khao mun gai. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoy to cooking Thai food. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you. See you next video.